Kate, and today we're going to be talking about planning and forecasting within Plex. For food and beverage manufacturers, staying ahead of demand is really important to be able to proactively plan materials, avoid critical stockouts, and spoilage of materials that don't sell. By starting with the demand profile of items, in Plex, we can determine the best fit statistical forecast to plan customers and items. From there, we can apply that forecast to dynamic planning hierarchies, allowing us to plan at customer, item, or even product category levels. With a baseline statistical forecast in place, Plex's demand planning will allow us to add the input of sales teams, marketing events, and plan what-if forecasts to truly capture demand and plan our businesses on a rolling 12-month to multiple fiscal year process. This way, we can help get ahead of demand and plan our forward-looking inventory in Plex.